I started at S&C as a temp. When the temp agency suggested manufacturing, I didn't really know what to think. My first impression of S&C was that it was very clean. I'd recently come from a very, very dusty, dirty warehouse, so I was impressed by what was over here. The skills I used most when I started were my mechanical skills, and I feel like I really developed my people skills in the last couple years, which I never really expected. I became a team lead, I guess, by accepting more and more responsibility. As a quieter person, I did have some reservations about being a team leader, but I did want to try something different. The thing that stands out to me about S&C is the patience it has with training. A lot of the training in every area, the trainer won't leave you until you're absolutely 100% on whatever job you're doing. I like the variety of challenges available in manufacturing. I can try to describe an average day on the job, but it's never the same. My favorite thing about S&C would probably be the continuous improvement and the focus on safety. I don't see a lot of that at many other companies. Proud to work at S&C because we help during actual disasters. For example, there was a really bad cold spell in Texas and there was a lot of power outages. We provided the switches to help keep their lights on. If someone's unsure about getting into manufacturing, I would just say try it. There's a lot of different things you can find that you might like about it, and you might not know that you liked doing these things.